today we will start our chapter 12, that is electricity and circuits. Okay, I have explained this chapter in short, that what are the uses of electricity, what are electric cell, how electric cell works. Okay, okay. So today I am going to explain this chapter. So everyone, listen it carefully. So chapter 12, electricity and circuits. We use electricity for many purposes to make our task easier. As you all know that electricity are used for many purposes. Okay, for making our task easier. Means we have, if you want to do anything, so we use. If you want to switch on the, if you feel hot, okay, then you want to switch on the fan. So what we will do?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
We will just switch on the fan, ठीक है, by pressing the switch, and then we will feel cold.
Ma'am, computer also needs electricity to operate.
Yes, beta. There are too many uses of electricity. There are too many uses of electricity.
Ma'am, water damp is also the work of
Yes.
electricity.
Yes, beta. Hydroelectricity.
Ma'am, who invented electricity?
For example, we use electricity. It's your task. You have to find out who discovered electricity. Okay. For example, we use electricity to operate. For example, we use electricity to operate pumps that lift water from wells or from ground levels to the rooftop tank. As you know that we use electricity to operate pumps. ठीक है, get water from the machine. Water machine से आप क्या करते हो, पानी आता है. So you just the pump lift water from the wells or from ground levels. ठीक है, पंप क्या करता है, ग्राउंड लेवल से वाटर का लेवल ऊपर लाता है. and then it fill the rooftop tank. ठीक है, rooftop tank means जो रूफ पे आपके छत पे जो टैंक होता है, ब्लैक कलर में आप देखो टंकी.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, we just how we can fill roof tank. ठीक है, yes, by filling water. So we just switch on the motor, then it will fill, and then क्या, the water is lift up, and then it will fill water in the tank.
Ma'am, how the current pass through the water?
We will discuss better. What are the other purpose for which you use electricity? Now the question is, we have to tell what are the other why we use electricity. Okay, and what is its uses? What are its uses? List some of them in your notebook. Does your list include the use of electricity for lighting? Is there any in your list? You have to make a list that what are the uses of electricity. You have to write it in your notebook. Okay, and in that list you have to find out whether whether we use electricity for lightning. Lightning के लिए भी आप use करते हो electricity?
Yes,
ठीक है? Yes, we can use.
also there is electricity, ma'am.
Electricity makes it possible to light our homes, roads, offices, markets and factories even after sunset. Sunset, as you all know, after sunset we switch on the light. ठीक है, in all the areas. ठीक है, in school you are sitting here. In school we are sitting here. ठीक है, the lights were on. Lights is on. ठीक है, आपने similarly we use electricity to light our homes, factories. ठीक है, school, room, classroom. Yes. So there are too many uses of electricity. This help us to continue working at night. ठीक है, what are the uses of electricity? We can use electricity to light our homes. ठीक है, to light our factories, school के classrooms. We can light classroom also. ठीक है, and this a power station. A power station provides us with electricity. ठीक है, as you all know, electricity comes from power station, which controls the power. ठीक है, जो पावर को कंट्रोल करता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के वोल्टेज को कंट्रोल करते हैं. ठीक है, so however the supply of electricity may fail or it may not be available at some places. As you all know that in some places in villages there are shortage of electricity. ठीक है, but nowadays electricity is everywhere. ठीक है, सब जगह आप दे दिया है. So in such situation a torch is sometimes used for providing light. So in such situation we just use a torch. ठीक है. In earlier days we don't have, if we don't have light,
We use
so we use
lantern
torch.
and lamp.
Yes,
Lamp
lamp.
also.
Candle. Yes.
Ma'am,
Lantern.
ma'am.
Yes, lantern.
Ma'am, to read, people are sitting in the street light.
Lantern.
Ma'am, to read, people are sitting in.
There is no electricity. In earlier times, if there is no electricity, we just use a torch, lantern, lamp, ठीक है, candle. There are too many things. And one more thing, is candle a luminous object or non-luminous object?
By wax.
It's a luminous object because it emits own light. Okay, beta. Yes. Where does the torch get electricity from? As you all know, okay. As you all know, if you want to switch on the light, there is a wire, there is a switch. We can just switch on but we can press the switch and light will glow. Okay. But how we can light torch? By using electric cell.
We can also light a bulb by wiring the electric bulb from the cell.
Okay. Now electric cell. As I have already explained this, electric cell has two terminals. One is positive, other one is negative. Okay. Positive and negative terminal. So positive negative terminal. Why it is compulsory that in battery positive and negative terminals are present? Because without it current will not flow. Okay? Because without it,
Medium current.
because if there is no positive and negative terminal, then it will not grow.
Ma'am, the current flows to.
Okay? And if there is no current, then there is no electricity.
Ma'am, the current flows to negative.
Quiet, let me explain. Okay? When you will speak, they will not understand. So electric cell. So electric cell, when we want to light the torch, we just use electric cell. Okay? As electricity to the bulb in a torch is provided by electric cell. Okay? So the answer of this question is given in your book, that how torch will glow. How torch get electricity? So torch gets electricity from electric cell. Okay? So electric cell are also used in alarm clocks, wristwatches, transistor radios, cameras and many other devices. Okay, so electric cell there are too many uses of electric cell. We can use electric cell. We are using electric cell in alarm clocks. Alarm clocks आप जिस alarm clock होती है उसमें भी use करते हैं. Wrist watches, hand में जो लगाते हो wrist watches. ठीक है, wrist means कलाई होती है. Wrist watches, transistor radios. In earlier time people use radios. Transistor भी radio को कहते हैं. So we use electric cell in it. Cameras, ठीक है, electric cell use होता है and many other devices. ठीक है. So have you ever carefully looked at an electric cell? See figure 12.1. There is a figure of electric cell. You might have noticed that it has a small metal cap on one side and metal disc on other side. If you see this figure, there is a cap on one side, okay, metal cap, and there is a metal plate on the
This is the negative and this is the
other
positive.
side, metal disc.
Metal
Okay.
cap is the positive.
So did you notice a positive sign and negative sign marked on the electric cell? Yes.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
given in the figure. Positive and negative sign is in figure 12.1. Okay. So the metal cap is the positive terminal of the electric cell. Okay. If you see this figure, so metal cap. Here is a metal cap.
Metal cap.
Yes.
Metal plate.
Okay. And this is a metal disc.
Oh, metal disc.
Ma'am, metal plate.
Metal
Yes,
disc.
beta, you can see. Okay, metal disc. So on this side it has positive terminal and it has negative terminal. Okay, so there are two terminals in an electric cell. One is positive and other one is negative. Okay, so the metal disc is the negative terminal and metal cap is the positive terminal.
Why they cover the battery from
Because in batteries chemicals are present, so we have to save the chemicals, and we can save the chemicals, and It will harm our skin. That's why they are using cover around the chemicals.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, in battery which chemicals are
I-
present.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was asking when we break a tube light, then it leaves some gas. What gas is that?
Yes. When
When we break a tube light.
to
Tube light. Tube light.
tube light, it contains the neon gases.
And that chemicals can be substituted.
We cannot see gases. We cannot see gases. As air is oxygen and nitrogen, and there are too many gases. Too many gases are present around us, but we
Yeah,
cannot
1%
see.
other gases and
Air around us. Okay. So all the electric cells have two terminals. It is given in figure. Okay, and you have seen the figure that in electric cell there are two terminals. First one is positive and other one is negative. Okay. An electric cell produces electricity from the chemicals stored inside it. Okay, so electric cell, we use electric cell for producing electricity, and in the electric cell chemicals are stored. Chemicals are present inside it. ठीक है, chemicals present होते हैं. There are too many chemicals. इसमें बीच में आप देखो एक पतली सी रॉड होती है. बैटरीज में देखोगे
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it contains potassium hydrogen.
मैम पिक कर लीजिए. मैम पिक कर लीजिए. मैम पिक कर लीजिए उससे.
Big, wait, beta, wait. I don't need now. If you see, आपका ये मेटल कैप हो गई बीच में, ठीक है. ये आपकी बैटरीज हो गई, ठीक है. ये वाली आपकी क्या हो गई?
मेटल डिस्क. मैम मेटल डिस्क.
मेटल कैप, मेटल
Metal
disc,
disc.
ठीक है. It carries positive, it is a positive terminal, and this one is negative terminal, ठीक है. And this metal cap, it has in between the cell there is a one rod.
Ma'am, very
ठीक है.
thin rod.
Yes, it is made up of graphite.
Yes, graphite. Ma'am, it contains
Graphite. ठीक है. You are using a pencil. It is made up of graphite. Pencil का आपको
made of lead.
हाँ, pencil lead. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Pencil is made up of lead.
Ma'am, in
ठीक है.
real cell-
Lead से होती.
मैम in real cell there we can see the positive and negative terminals.
Ma'am, this black color need.
बेटा, this black color rod is called graphite, and in your pencil lead is present. ठीक है. And here chemicals are present.
Ma'am, it is
Okay, chemicals are stored in it like that.
Ma'am, it contains potassium hydrogen.
Okay.
Ma'am, with the metal. That's very hot.
You are saying that, ma'am, how we can say that this one carries like positive one having positive terminal, other one having negative terminal.
Yes, ma'am.
So by observing battery, beta, if there is a metal cap, so it has positive terminal, and metal disc means lower part is
Negative
having
terminal.
negative terminal. That's it.
That rod, ma'am, that rod.
ठीक है. Now next thing, caution. Caution. So you might have seen the danger sign shown here, displayed on poles, electric substation, and many other places. You have seen danger sign like this. Danger sign इस तरह आपने देखा होगा. ठीक है. On poles, poles जो होते means electric poles. You have seen this sign on electric poles. Electric substation means power station पे भी आपने देखा होगा, and many other places, and too many places जहाँ पे electricity का हार्म रहेगा, आपको हार्म रहेगा, वहाँ पे ये सारे पोस्ट ऐसे साइन बने रहेंगे. It is to warn people that electricity can be dangerous if not handled properly. ठीक है. If it is not handled properly, so it will harm us. Okay. Carelessness in handling electricity and electric devices can cause severe injuries and sometimes even death. Carelessness means अगर आप सावधानी से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को हैंडल नहीं करते, if you are not handling properly, so it will harm us and it will cause severe injuries. Severe injuries means बहुत बड़ी घाव देता है.
Ma'am, my brother.
And sometimes even death. और कभी कभार क्या होती है? It cause death. Hence, you should never attempt to experiment with the electric wires and sockets. So it is your duty that you have to keep it in your mind that you should never attempt any activity, any electricity activity. ठीक है? Any activity which is related to electrical wires and sockets. Electrical wires या switches से इन सब से कभी भी मतलब बच के रहना चाहिए. Properly उसको handle करना चाहिए. ठीक है. Also remember that electricity generated by portable generator is equally dangerous. Means nowadays we are using inverters. In earlier time we are using generators. ठीक है. So it harm us when we use it, when we not handle properly. ठीक है. So use only electric cells for all activities related to electricity. So you have to use only electric cells if you want to work, ठीक है, on the electricity. Now you are in 6th class. If you are going to make some, if you are touching sockets, electrical wires, it will harm you. So do that work in which you will feel better. वही काम करो जिसमें आपको अच्छा लगे. And be cautious. Be cautious by handling electricity या electrical wires or sockets.
And we don't have to touch by watered hand.
Yes. As you all know, in wires there is a coating of black. There is a black coating of green coating.
Insulator.
It's an insulator.
And that's how electricity
If we touch the wire, then it will not harm us. But don't touch it, beta. When we switch on the fan, lights या कुछ भी आपकी wires कहीं पे हो, उसमें भले भी coating हो, please don't touch it. Be cautious. ठीक है? Because electric current always flow. And one more thing I want to tell you, whether the switch is off, then also electric volt current will flow.
Ma'am, we
Switch
should
off
not
you,
touch electricity
then it will flow.
when
ठीक
we
है?
have wet
But
hand.
अमाउंट जिसका वोल्ट होता है वो कम हो जाता है. ठीक है. When we switch on the light, then it will glow. ठीक है. When we switch off the light, again the current will come to the rest position. So it will work. ठीक है. Means electric current will flow when the switch is off. ठीक है.
We should not touch electricity.
To use electric cells for doing any activity.
And one more
It
question.
will not harm you.
And one more question.
ठीक है. Watch properly.
Yes.
What is electricity? What are the uses of electricity?
And this is our homework.
Yes.
बल्ब में कहाँ
I will do it now. मैम हमें फिगर में ये भी बताना है कि
Yes. You have to mention positive and negative terminal.
and that this वो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव पता चल जाएगा. मैम what is the answer मैम of the
We have to find it from the book.